President Joe Biden announced he's preparing for COVID vaccines to be distributed to children ages 5 and older. It's in anticipation of the possible approval of the Pfizer vaccine for that age group in the coming weeks. 5 News reporter Zoe Henry joins us live in studio with a breakdown of what that means for us here in Arkansas. Zoe?
Erica, next week on October 26th, an FDA advisory panel will meet to make a recommendation on the Pfizer vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11. I checked in with a Fayetteville pharmacy about how they're preparing for the potential to give more vaccines to Arkansas children. Next Tuesday, October 26th, the FDA is meeting to discuss the Pfizer vaccine for children ages 5 to 11. The CDC is set to meet in early November for further discussion and voting. In anticipation for these dates, President Biden is planning a large vaccine distribution in order for supply to meet demand. Medical Arts Pharmacy in Fayetteville is already on top of the supply order.
So we already have received information on how to kind of pre-order the pediatric doses so that we will have supply kind of waiting and ready to be shipped out once it gets fully approved for that age group.
While supply is abundant, demand may not be, as vaccine hesitancy is still a struggle in states like Arkansas. There are expectations for lower demand for this wave of vaccine rollout.
When they opened it up to the 12 to 15-year-olds, we definitely had an initial kind of rush to get it, and I expect to see that again. With this age group being a little younger, we anticipate that there may be a little bit less uptake than there was for the older kids. But with it being a lower dose, we're hopeful that parents will feel like that it's safe and important to go ahead and get their kid vaccinated.
When the vaccine is approved, there will most likely be a sign up for appointments like the initial 2 doses and booster shot. Julie also mentioned possibly partnering with schools to help parents who may not have the resources to independently get vaccinated.